Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at double symmetry puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto from Japan and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The double symmetry puzzle was made using two different types of wood: Venge, the dark color wood, and Ash, the light color wood. Difficulty level of the double symmetry puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to remove the pieces from the frame and then put them back inside the frame. If you take a closer look at the parts, you will find that they look similar. At least these two look similar and these two look similar. So we have two pairs of almost similar pieces, but there is a twist. They are not exactly the same inside. Actually, they are very similar, but they are like a mirror projection of each other. The frame is not a simple frame as well, since if I will try to show you now, if you take a closer look inside, you will find that there are a couple of restrictions inside the frame on this side, and there are restrictions on the other side as well. And you have to figure out the way how to remove the pieces first, and it will be not so easy to do since this puzzle is quite tricky. And then when all pieces are out, you have to figure out the way how to put all of them back inside, and that will be another quite difficult challenge, especially if you leave this puzzle for a couple of hours or maybe overnight and try to assemble it the next day. It will be a very challenging puzzle to assemble, since there are a couple of ways how you can start putting pieces together, but there is only one way that will help you to put everything back inside the frame. And it's not only interesting to solve puzzle, but it is also a very good looking puzzle. I like the combination of Ash and Venge. It looks really beautiful and will look nice on any puzzler's shelf. If you like the double symmetry puzzle and you want to have it in your collection, you want to buy it and try to solve it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.